Hi guys. Well, it's been an eventful day, to say the least. Woke up at like 7:30. Drank some tea. Listened to a couple of TED Talks. And after that, I got up, did groceries. It was like 8:30. I pulled up to Trader Joe's. I was like, "What is this person?" And then after that, I went back home, took out my groceries, started working on the video that I'm editing while the guys were rehearsing because they have a show tonight. Oh yeah, I did laundry. It never rains. Oh my god, you guys. Press Juicery. Thank you so much. I love working with you guys this time of year. You guys are like a second family. Chose. It's the orange, turmeric, Fuji apple, lemon. Shelby took. Oh, nice. Kale, wait, you're shaking.
I'm always shaking.
I got this chocolate almonds date cacao sea salt flavor because I like them thick.
Thank you so much, you guys. It's really great. And I really appreciate working with you guys. Just let me know anytime you guys want to,
I think they're all good.
And then went back home, worked a little bit longer, made some food. Since I'm doing intermittent fasting, I can only eat between the hours of 12 and 8. So it kind of really takes a toll on you when you wake up extremely early and you can't eat until 12. But yeah, I love my day. We're trying to go to the guy's show, but apparently there's a possibility that it might get canceled because out of all days, today it starts to rain in LA the day of their show, which really sucks. I was really excited for that, but I don't know what's gonna happen, so now I'm just gonna go to Moe's because I'm freaking clueless. Taking the entire time. Oh my god, I just got the text, it's canceled. Damn it. Well, hi. I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I think the last time that I picked up the camera was probably the day that the guys had the show, which actually turned out to be a really fun night. We actually just got really hammered. I don't know, he was so concerned.
I can't believe you're gonna talk about your guy like that. It's really fucked up.
It's been like 4 years. Ever since I had the Lyme disease thing, I've kind of avoided the doctor.
And was it just you?
Remember when I like forgot how to read? Times, so we need to bring you to the ER right now.
Why do I feel like I look like Darcy?
I
Figured like might as well make this night a fun night anyway, since it was originally going to be. Doing all this laundry, great. And I'm just watching YouTube because like what else do I do?
To this stage where you would have to actually go to rehab to clean up. No, I didn't. I mean, I think that the thing that I think I always, I don't know what the word is, have confidence.
Is it central?
So what are you guys making?
It's broccoli and onions. That's it. I had to tell Alice too, and not sponsored.
Oh, do you work there?
I already put oil! That's too much oil.
Save it for the dads. Hi guys. Well, I just woke up and I had the day off today, so I was originally gonna go to well, actually I have a lot of things that I need to do, but the main thing, which was gonna be like the fun part of the day, was supposed to go to Venice with Isabella and yeah, just like get a couple of pictures and just like have a day off, you know? And let me just show you. Where is the sun? But I'm still gonna get ready and hopefully I can still do something. I'm whispering because everyone in the house is asleep and It's like 7 in the morning. But yeah, I feel like you guys have only seen me when I look bad. So, I'm gonna look good in like another couple minutes. I'm okay. Okay, bye. Hi guys. I know, right? Totally different person. Like, yeah, it's crazy how getting ready can just change a person. I have a lot of things that I want to do today. Last time you saw me, it's been like 2 hours since last time you saw me. Right now I'm on my way to get my suit tailored for my aunt's wedding. I think I need to go to Trader Joe's because I need to get dish soap, groceries, a tie, and shoes. Last time I talked to you, I went to go drop off.
I thought you were talking to me. I was like, you mean like 2 seconds ago?
No, I went to go drop off the suit that got tailored. I have to pick it up on Saturday. I got groceries, made some breakfast, and then now I'm here with Issa. And now we're gonna go to Venice with this trash weather, but we're gonna make the most out of this day. Yeah, so I'll tune in later. Hey.
Oh dear God.
You have a haul? What you got?
No, because what if my dad watches it? Yeah. I got my dad's Christmas presents. I got him, is it pronounced Sage, the place? Sage? Sahe?
Sashi.
So it's that like essential oil place, and I got him the Sage Tingle Mint. Oh, it's a foot and body lotion. I didn't realize. Well, it's a lotion, and it has like cooling properties.
Oh, that's the one that...
Right, so I figured
his
since he has
pain.
like tense muscles and pain. And then I also got him like a cool spray refreshing face and body mist. He likes to make his own like perfumes and colognes with essential oil. They know how to. So this one smells really good. It has like peppermint and oh, there's plastic on it. I just like pop that shit right off.
I think we can...
It's okay. I mean, I'm probably gonna take the plastic off anyways. You just fucked up my dad's Christmas present. Are you feeling this cooling sensation?
Yeah, dude, it's literally... Okay, so we were in there and pretty much this like oil that they put on your body, but they had tested it out on our necks, and they pretty much just like massage it, and over time it just starts getting really cool, and it's just supposed to help you out, like lose your tenseness within your muscles, but it's really freaking cold.
Yeah, it feels really nice though. It's like a peppermint cooling essential oil.
It's been a good day. I don't know what we're gonna do now.
It's very gloomy and my hip hurts.
I'll check in later. Peace out, Cub Scouts. What are you looking at?
I'm on the Gold Coast now. Josh has just flown home. He has to fly to Japan tomorrow, and I'm flying to...
Well, it's been a really busy day. Now I'm just tired.
Again, this couldn't happen again. This is that.
Wait, which one are you? On here.
Oh, I'm this one.
Okay.
Here, I'll model it like my
Beautiful, perfect. Hey, hi guys. I'm actually on my way to go pick up the suit that I had tailored in last week's video. So I'm all set for the wedding. I think I only really need a dress shirt, but I think I already have a white one, so I think I'm good. But I got my tie and I got my shoes yesterday, and now I'm going to get the suit because we're going to go to the Rose Bowl, which is this flea market in California, but it only happens the second Sunday of every month. And I've been trying to go since I moved here, and it's just always such a mission because either I'm working or I wake up too late from the night before. So this time I'm really excited. What did we think of the Rose Bowl?
Much better than the roast trading post.
Yeah?
Excellent.